Hey everyone, I'm here in Rockefeller Center at midnight, and I'm not the only one here. They basically closed off the entire street in the area. Standing at 49th Street and Rockefeller Plaza. The Christmas tree was just lit up this past Wednesday. Today is Sunday, December 8th, 2024. I was here back in July and talking about the Christmas tree in that spot, and finally it's here. There's the FAO Schwartz building. Down on the pit over there is where they have the ice rink. You can also see the star on top. Let's talk about some facts about the Rockefeller Christmas tree. It stands at about 74 feet tall, or 22.5 meters, and has a width of 43 feet, or 13.1 meters wide. It is a Norway spruce weighing about 11 tons. The age of this tree is almost 70 years old, and it originated from West Stockbridge, Massachusetts, from the southern Berkshire region. It's located about 114 miles from Rockefeller Center. It is located along Interstate 90 on the Mass Pike between Albany, New York, and Springfield, Massachusetts. This is the first time the Rockefeller Center has gotten a Christmas tree from Massachusetts since 1959. The tree was from Earl and Leslie Alpert, and it was first lit this past Wednesday, December 4th, 2024. The lights on the tree consist of 50,000 multicolored LED lights wrapped around the tree, lengthening of about 5 miles or 8 kilometers. On top of the tree, you can see a 3D star manufactured by the Swarovski company, partnered with Daniel Lebeskin, an architect. He created the star first in 2018, and it weighs about 900 pounds or 408 kilograms. The star consists of 70 spikes, and it's covered in 3 million crystals. The Rockefeller Christmas tree also does have an important piece of American history, dating back to the Great Depression in the 1930s. Starting in 1931, workers at Rockefeller Center pooled their money together to buy a Christmas tree. They decorated a 20-foot high balsam fir with handmade garlands made by their families. In 1933, Rockefeller Center made the Christmas tree an annual tradition and held the very first tree lighting ceremony. During World War II, in 1942, instead of one big tree, 3 smaller trees were used instead. These trees consist of simple patriotic designs, red, white, and blue unlit globes, and no lights were used until the end of the war due to blackout regulations. In 1969, there were 12 sculptures of wire angel figures, each using 75 points of metal wire, created by sculptor Valerie Clairbout, and the legacy still exists today. In 1999, this is when the largest tree in Rockefeller Center made its debut. It stood at 100 feet tall and was from Killingworth, Connecticut. In 2001, to commemorate the tragedy of 9/11, the tree was decorated in a patriotic red, white, and blue lights. And in 2004, the first version of the Swarovski star, weighed at 550 pounds, consists of 25,000 crystals and 1 million facets, with the star being 9.5 feet in diameter. Here we're standing at 5th Avenue between 49th Street and 50th Street. You can see that there's 12 angels actually in this garden right here. You can only see the first 6, and there's 3 more in the back. The gold statue in the back over there, and then there is an ice rink over there. They have the performances when they lit the tree ceremony down in the ice rink area. I was here back in 2010, and I remember that it was very crowded. And actually in last year in 2023 in November, before they had the tree lighting ceremony, it was very crowded. Here you get a better view of the Star. Across the street from Fifth Avenue, we have Saks Fifth Avenue with all the lights. And then right across 50th Street, we have the St. Patrick's Cathedral. Right here is St. Patrick's Cathedral at Fifth Avenue between 50th and 51st Street. And then we got statue of Atlas, the Greek god holding the world. This was constructed in 1937. Alright, and that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the interesting experience of going to Rockefeller Center at midnight. The lights will be active from 5 a.m. every day, but the ending time differs. You're going from Sunday through Wednesday, it ends at midnight. And if you go from Thursday through Saturday, it's going to be up to 1 a.m. Christmas Eve is going to be open 24 hours, and for New Year's Eve, it's going to be from 5 a.m. through 9 p.m. so it doesn't distract the Times Square event with the ball drop ceremony. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Take care, everybody.